Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sarita. Today we will see how to make this wire wrapped bangle. I have used aluminium wire and a few beads to wrap them. It's very simple to make. I hope you will enjoy the tutorial, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. So let's begin the tutorial. We need 9 inches aluminium wire, 16 gauge. This is 22 gauge wire. Actually, I am not going to cut the wire. This is 6 beads, glass beads. So make a loop on one side. Before starting the wrapping, I have taken around 10 to 15 beads inside the wire, and then we have to do the initial around 10 wraps before we take our first bead. Make around 10 wraps. Let the wraps be next to each other without gap. So now take the first bead and make 4 wraps immediately after the bead. So once you made 4 wraps, bring it around the bead, the wire, 3 to 4 times. Now again make 10 wraps before taking the next bead. While wrapping, just make sure that all the beads are facing on the same side. You can also make with bigger beads, and the wrapping also, it's your choice. Like if you want lesser beads, make the more wrappings and then add the next beads. So after 10 wraps, I am taking my next bead. So I am making 4 wraps. Make sure the wraps are very close to each other, there should not be gap. So now bring it around the bead. I'm taking 5 wraps because otherwise the design is not much visible. So I have not cut the 22 gauge wire. So just continue the same until you reach the end. We only need so much wire to make a loop at the end. So I have completed till the end. Now shape the bangle, pressing gently with your hands. Just make a circular shape. So we have the shape. Cut the excess wire. This is going to be a 2.6 size bangle. So make a small loop there. The other side also the loop was big, I have made it smaller. So now we will add a clasp to it. I have a lobster clasp and 2 jump rings. So add jump rings on both the sides. Add the clasp. So the bangle is ready. You can make with any bead of your choice, and even you can change the wire, you can make in golden or copper as well. Please do let me know in the comment section if you like the video. Give a thumbs up, and I'll come up with more such videos. Thanks for watching.